This is aerodynamics pushed to its limits. At first glance, it looks simple, but every curve, every millimeter, has a purpose. Inside this factory, the nose of the Shinkansen E10 isn't just built. It's engineered to cut through air like silence. Why this shape? To reduce drag, to eliminate tunnel boom, to let the Shinkansen E10 glide at over 300 kilometers per hour, smooth, stable, unstoppable. Layers of precision-crafted materials, tested under extreme pressure. This isn't about looks, it's about performance. Because at high speed, even air becomes resistance, and the Shinkansen E10 is built to defeat it.
Eight years for this. From this seat, the future is visible. A flower at 360 kilometers per hour.
This is the nose that took 8 years.
2019. The year Japan asked a single question.
8 years. One curve at a time. In a tunnel at 360, air becomes a cannon.
This is where it begins.
Two teams, one question. Which nose wins?
The data said longer is quieter, much longer. 速度取り8、圧力安定。
400. And still almost silent.
Even nations stop to look at this nose.
8 years. Seen in 30 seconds. Felt in a lifetime.
But before the nose, there was nothing. Where does precision begin? Right here. White thread enters. Black carbon emerges. Temperature transforms everything.
重視量産15%問題なし。重視量産15%問題なし。
The nose begins as red Australian earth. 960 degrees. Liquid light.
Two materials, two journeys, one destination TAD. Kasado Works, Yamaguchi. Yamaguchi Prefecture, where noses grow. Step 1. Fight the air before touching metal.
長い方が静かだ。
Two geometries.
One exit portal. The tunnel decides the winner.
Simulation meets reality. Within 3%. Acceptable.
22 meters. Signed. The design is locked.
At 1/20th scale, air reveals its secrets for free. 128 holes, each one a question.
2 alloys, one for bone, one for skin.
Everything arrives. Nothing enters without verification. This is Japanese manufacturing.
6 kilowatts of light, shaping the skeleton. The ram descends. 127.03. Perfect. Next one.
22 meters of steel jig. The skeleton's cradle.
Machines weld. Humans verify. Always. This is Yamashita Kogyosho. Since 1963, Hitachi's secret weapon.
A flat sheet. A curved nose. Between them fawn experience. Strike 1. The metal listens. He doesn't measure. He listens. The metal tells him.
Within 1 millimeter, over 22 meters.
One panel done. 300 more to go.
先端パネル設定完了. Skin meets skeleton. The nose takes its first breath. Laser welding. No filler, no bead, no turbulence, no forgiveness.
Every seam. 100% inspection. Always.
トルク確認1230ニュートンメートル The cab is not just a workplace, it's armor.
The cab and the nose. Finally, one structure.
Through this glass, the driver sees. Friction stir welding. No melting, no filler, no porosity, just fusion.
22 meters, complete, but not finished.
Every surface compared to perfection. Deviation, under 2 millimeters.
X-rays. Because some defects hide from eyes.
Accepted Kamim, FSW seam, 100%. Fusion.
The nose is structurally approved.
Alkaline bath. 60 degrees. The aluminum forgets every fingerprint. Primer. The foundation that will never be seen. Tsugaru green. The color of Tohoku forests.
Clear coat. 85 gloss units. The nose is dressed. Carbon fiber bogey. Silicon carbide power.
The nose now has legs.
$1.5 times design load. No deformation. Pass. Miyagi Prefecture. The E10 awakens. The tests begin.
48 sensors. Every pressure wave captured.
Two men, one seam, 20 combined years of experience.
These hands have known aluminum since before the Shinkansen was born.
London to Miyagi. Design travels. The nose receives it.
Jozu, the first of 10,000. She is the future.
340. Still climbing. And how does it interact with the new control system? The nose features the latest aerodynamic flap actuator. Night tests. The pressure wave never sleeps. The data confirms what the CFD predicted 8 years ago.
2030. The nose begins its work. The pressure wave. Managed. The tunnel boom. Silenced. Yamaguchi Prefecture. Where noses are born. Where air is defeated.
This video is created for educational purposes using AI tools. The script and ideas were inspired by public info and competitors' concepts, then rewriting using AI to ensure originality. Videos and animations are AI generated using VO3, Meta AI, Grok AI, and editing is done in CapCut. We do not copy or reuse any other creator's content. This video is informative only and does not present AI visuals as real footage.